Everybody, still TRIPPIN here. Sorry for the delay of videos, and as you can see, I'm on the Xbox 60 here. So I haven't got the Xbox One yet. I'm recording off my phone still. Audio might be crap from this session. Just gonna play some Watch Dogs, do some tricks for y'all, and yeah, let's get right onto it. Sorry for the delay of videos, though. Really sorry. I've been, I'll admit to y'all, I've been lazy. But Tuesdays and Thursdays, I promise now. I'm sorry, been lazy. I don't know why. Just I haven't felt like uploading or anything. I'm so sorry, guys. And yeah, let's go. Let's find some stunts. Crap. Oh, I see a stunt. Oh, I see a stunt. Oh, I see a stunt. Oh no! No! Oh! Oh! That would hurt. Oh. As you can see in front of you is a PlayStation under the thing right there. And I might play a PlayStation game for like another video. I'm not sure. Leave a comment if y'all want to see one. Yeah, let's find another bike, and I'm running in circles. Great gameplay here. And if y'all want me to play some campaign missions, I'm kind of far into the campaign. Not too far. I've beat the game before. I just restarted it recently. I love this game. But my favorite would be GTA. And if y'all want me to play GTA, I can't really play Gold until might be 3 days from now. I'll get a Gold membership and play some online if y'all want me to, or something like that. And if y'all have an Xbox 60, which I'm poor, I know. And if y'all have Xbox 60 or whatever, I lost what I was gonna say. If y'all have Xbox 360, you can tweet me your gamer tag, and we can play together. You know, kind of like a fan meal, kind of. I don't know. Let's see here. $1,000. Ooh, I'm rich. Not. Why do I have to feel my bike down here? Oh, that'd been sick if I could actually sit on it, like land on it like that. That would hurt your crotch, but. And Watch Dogs 2, I see it's out, and can buy it for Xbox 60, I don't think. But when I get an Xbox One, it's not gonna be soon now, as I suspected though, because my parent, my mom, when she was doing the survey thing for like a free Xbox One, you pay for refurbish, something like that. Well, it kind of messed up or whatever, so she's not gonna do it again. So I'm gonna be trying to save up for an Xbox One, and yeah. Okay. Enough of me talking about that stuff. Let's do some stunts. Oh! I've been sick if I would actually just made a smooth landing. Baby bum. Oh, wait, I see a cool stunt. Now you see is my outfit here. It's a digital trip. The alone, if you beat it, you can unlock it. Not really hard, actually. Okay, never mind. Well, oh, I hurt her back. I'm sorry. If I don't find a stunt soon, I'll do some digital trips. Okay, that sucked. I know. I would pick the worst stunt combination, or whatever you call it. I can't really pronounce it right now. Wait, hold on. The blocker gonna. Yep. Woo! Okay, that wasn't. No. Just down. You know, I'll do a digital trip for y'all. I haven't done this one, actually. play. Do some digital trips. Oh god, I'm tripping balls. I'm tripping balls. Yep, I'm high. High. Pass through all the rings for a higher score. Got it. Also, Caleb's Pegasus. Well, if you ever get gold, we can play together. Something like that. Woo! Okay. Oh! Ooh, it's like flying on GTA. Oh, I missed it. What? You messed up. Oh. Oh, that's stupid. Ooh! How are you supposed to... I like these yellow pants. They're bright. Ooh. Ooh. I knew I should have ate the mushrooms, man. Ooh. Well, I'm starting to get the hang of it. Ooh. 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 Okay. Hit it, hit it, hit it. Oh, heck yeah. Ooh, I'm starting to get a hang of this. This is fun. Oh, oh, oh. Oh, no. Oh, oh. Right in the middle. Oh, yeah, baby. I don't think I hit the middle, but... Okay, I think that one I hit. Yeah, I think perfect's middle. Ooh, great. Okay. I think I hit the... Oh, yeah, okay, there we go. Great again. Yeah, baby. Woo! Bam! First bloom completed. Oh, you can't really see it. Hold on. Oh, actually... Hold on. Oh, did you see it real quick? Too bright. It says first bloom completed. Let me get my phone back here. Balance. Hold on, guys. I'm so sorry. Perfect. I'm not gonna move it. No. Hold on, guys. Minor difficulties. Perfect. Okay. Now I'll read what it says. On the very top, accuracy, new record. Cool. Max multiplier, 5, new record. Cool. Rings transfer, 25, new record. Woo! 5,891 on the very bottom. New record. Woo! There we go. Okay, guys, I gotta use the bathroom. I'm gonna pause it real quick. I'm back. Okay. Oh, let's do this. Also, that Fang cult, that is Shadow Assassin. That's not me, okay? My real name's Caleb, if y'all ever want to know. Oh, Jesus. We're going in. Shouldn't have ate those mushrooms, man. My parents told me. Parents told me I should. Ooh, ooh, ooh. Ooh. Okay, that's a little, that's a little weirdo. Dang it! Been sick a couple of days too. Also, that's another reason why I'm kind of lazy a little bit. Ooh, okay, good. Ooh, I need to get this one. Ah! I'm sorry, Aiden Pierce. Oh, come on, baby. Let's go. Come on, hit the middle. Hit the middle. Baby. Woo! Perfect. Baby, let's do this. Woo! I never knew how to say this, but my parents were right, man. Never do drugs. Or never do drugs. Drugs. Never do drugs, kids. This is gonna happen to you. And this is not fun either, because you could break your neck. Woo! Oh, okay, good. Oh! 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 Oh. Tripping balls! Oh god. Oh god. Yep, he is definitely high. Let's go, come on. Hold on. Come on, guys. Sorry, guys, minor difficulties. Okay, just stuff. Okay. Oh god. Woo! Tripping balls! Okay. Aiden Pierce did too many drugs. That's why he's in this world. Okay, I'll tell you what it is again. Accuracy, 72, new record. Max multiplier, 7, new record. Rings traversed, 68, new record. 16,270, new record. Next track. Sorry guys, I didn't know I'll pause the video. I'm about to spill my drink over my phone. Yeah, this is getting awkward. Okay, let's continue. No! Okay, let's continue. Woo! We are high! Okay, oh god. Ooh! Ah! Rule one of recording and balancing your phone. Don't hit the desk that you have it on. Sorry, guys. I'm a huge filmer. Okay, let's. Never mind. That's not about my depressing life. Let's just continue. Woo! Oh, that would hurt my legs. I mean, Jesus Christ, break your legs open like that? No. That's like one of my worst pains, is like legs and feet. Like, gotta have my arm, like my pinkies, or I don't know. But let's just continue. Nothing about like, I know this is turning weird. Okay. Ooh, no. Okay, good. Ooh, when you get those rings, it's like Sonic. Gotta go fast. On meth, okay. No, that's a little too. Okay, never mind. Let's just continue. Jeez, I'm just talking about every drug, am I? Yeah. This will happen. This is watchdogs for you. Oh my. Oh! Ooh! Ooh! Broke his neck on the boat. Dang it! Gotta redo it again. Oh, never mind. There's a checkpoint. Woo! Okay, good. Okay, got it. Bam. 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 Come on, get the rings. Bam. 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 Yep. That meth, and also with those mushrooms and that weed, has got him like this. And Ooh. Okay, good. Hit it, hit it. Okay, good. Oh god. Hit it, hit it, hit it. Woo! Okay, good. Hit it. There we go. Okay, good. Woo! Okay. Hi, I'm Pawnee. Huh. Okay. Let's go. Okay. Accuracy, 73. New record. Max multiplier, 5. New record. Rings transverse, 47. New record. 10,150. 10,151. New record. Let's do the next track. And my tongue hurts. After this, I think I might end the video. Might be enough time for me. Sure. I might make this video 20 minutes long for y'all. So I love you guys. You don't know how much I love you guys. Woo! Let's go. Woo! Let's do this. Okay. Let's go, let's go, let's go. No, no, no! Wake up from your druggy self. Jeez. Oh man, my nose. Let's see where he ends up at. You're in. What is that on? Hold on, guys. Let me figure out what the heck this is. Let me figure out what this unlocks, guys. Okay, that's all. A truck. A truck. New vehicle, of course, but. Come on. Let me hack it. Let me hack the blocker. That's better. That's what you make me. That's what you get for making me waste your time. Okay. Police chase. I'm gonna try to do it in this truck. It's gonna be hard to do, but hey. You gotta do what you gotta do. Let's go. Let's go, baby. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. La 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 la. Let's go. Whoa, whoa. That was a little weird, but let's go. Also, Kid's Pegasus, down in the comments below, Tell me, how many subscribers do you are not subscribers really? I know I just sound like a jerk saying that. I'm so sorry, guys. But I was gonna see how much. Never mind. I can't even think. Okay, this police. I'm trying to focus on the police station while I'm trying to think of what I was gonna say. I'll say in the comments what I was gonna say later. I can't remember right now. Let's go. Okay, I'm gonna knock this guy out. Okay, that didn't work. And I accidentally hit Y. Yikes. Okay, come on. Go, 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 go. Let's go, 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 let's go. Let's go, let's go, let's go, let's go, let's go. Ow. Let's go, let's go, let's go, let's go, let's go, let's go. Let's go. A bike. There we go. Oh god. Oh god, 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 oh god. Oh god. You'll probably wonder why I hit water. I was looking on my phone screen. I was trying to do a little challenge. I was gonna tell y'all later. Yeah, didn't look like water to me. At all. And, yikes. I'm an idiot. I should have looked at my mini-map. Oh, God. Oh, thank God almighty. Now, come on, baby. Let's go, car. Let's go, let's go. Open, 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 open. You didn't open! Ugh. Barrel. PewDiePie's worst fear. PewDiePie, if you're watching this, even though you won't, because you don't know me. Oh my god, I swear, like, in GTA, I am not a bad driver, but on this, oh my god, I'm the worst driver you'll ever meet. Heck yeah, money. On the side of running away from the cops. That's what you call a win-win. Kinda. Except I think I would probably trade places with him right now. Bop. Okay. Oh god. No, 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 no. Ah! I hate you. Really? He's trying to kill me. Oh my god, it bring me down to protector. See, I don't get Aiden Pierce, man. You can't hurt a cop, or unless you get down to protect, like, trying to kill you. Okay? What are you supposed to do? Maybe knock him out? Yeah, that ain't that. Whatever, let's go. Oh, I should have neutralized. Oh, no, come on, man. Am I gonna do it again? Are they behind me? Oh, God, how are they faster than me? Yeah, like nitrous or some crap. Oh, God. Haha. Ow. Ugh. Ow. 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 Guys, I'm gonna get hurt. Guys, I'm gonna get hurt. Sorry, guys. Unplugged my controller. Sorry. And yes, I'm on like a what do you call it? Wire controller, whatever you call them. Not. I don't have a wireless controller. I did. It broke though. Ooh, yikes. Ooh, I'm back here. Deja vu. No. Okay, Y again. I was gonna like hit Y. I meant to hit Y, but I didn't think I was gonna like. Oh shit. Never mind. No, no, God, please, no. No, 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 no. In the car, in the car, in the car, in the car, in the car. Drive, 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 drive. Okay, let's go, let's go, let's go. What the heck is that guy doing? Worst hacker and driver ever. Me. I swear, I wouldn't do good in like Watch Dogs if I was worse than anybody online. I would suck so many balls. And no, I'm not gay. If you're thinking this, Careless Pegasus, no. And I know you're gonna. Next time we talk, I know exactly what you're gonna do, you prick. Okay, let's go. Okay. And yes, Careless Pegasus is a more successful YouTuber. I'll say that right now. Pretty good. You should go check him out if you haven't. Pretty good. Okay. Shout out to him, even though he doesn't need it, but still. Pretty good. Still need, later I'll ask him for tips and tricks how to be better. Anyways, let's do this. Let's go. I'm almost out, guys. I'm so out. Home free. Woohoo! Come on, car. I love you. Come on, come on, come on. Up the hill, up the hill. Up the hill. Yes! And I'll make my life here. Hey, there's a campaign mission too. And this is where I'm going to film the rest of my life. Okay, guys, I hope you enjoyed the video. Leave a like if you liked it. And, yeah. That's all I gotta say right now. Really fast outro stuff. Love you guys. Stay awesome. See you in another next video. Bye.